In fast-moving industries where time is money, precision and speed matter most. For over 7 decades, Leibinger has been delivering coding and marking solutions that customers can count on to keep their production lines running smoothly. Whether you're in food, beverage, or FMCG sectors, our solutions keep your lines moving and make your lives easier. When it comes to food production, accuracy and traceability aren't just important, they're essential. Batch numbers, barcodes, expiration dates, Leibinger printers make sure everything is clear and easy to read and compliant with safety regulations like GS1 standards, no matter the packaging. Whether you're working with flexible plastic, glass, aluminum, or cardboard packaging, our technology helps you keep your product safe and traceable at every step.
In the beverage industry, speed and reliability are everything. Leibinger's printers deliver high-speed, flawless coating on over 1 billion cans and bottles every day. Even in challenging conditions like wet or cold surfaces, our specialized inks ensure clear, durable codes that stick. Whether it's bottled water or craft beer or anything in between, with Leibinger, speed never compromises quality.
FMCG companies need flexibility every step of the way. You need to have something that's versatile, efficient. Leibinger's CIJ printers are easy to integrate into high-speed production lines, even automated ones. They're adaptable to different types of packaging and deliver sharp, clear codes on every item. Our printers can handle fast product changeovers without missing a beat, helping you keep up with demand while minimizing downtime.
What sets Leibinger apart is more than just speed and clear prints. It's our commitment to innovation. Our unique automatic nozzle sealing technology is one of a kind in this market, eliminating downtime, enabling fast startup and shutdown, and keeping your production lines running smoothly. Plus, with printers that have up to an IP66 rating, like the latest inkjet, you're equipped to handle tough production environments, from washdowns in food facilities to humidity and beverage plants. No matter the industry you're in, Leibinger is here to keep your production running smoothly and your business growing. We understand your challenges and are always finding ways to make things easier for you. With Leibinger, you have more than just a solution. With Leibinger, you have a trusted partner that delivers the performance, reliability, and the innovation you need to get ahead and stay ahead.